consultants in WBTC3.com. I'm really excited to talk about the importance of flat work. Why are sidewalks and patios important to your commercial property? One of the things these walkways do is just provide a certain shape, a certain je ne sais quoi, if you will, to being outdoors on your property. That may mean it's a break area. That may mean that tenants, renters are walking back and forth in a certain area. It may be a play area. It may just be simple walkways, most commonly from the parking lot to the building. But the flat work is important because it gives an overall feel and flavor to your commercial property. We work with small business owners. We work with hotels and hotel chains, apartment buildings, institutions like schools and churches, and on those gnarly jobs where we bring in the whole team of guys. We love that sort of stuff. Check us out at WBTC3.com. Thanks again.